Coffee isn't just a drink. It's an art, a science, and when done right, it's an internet-breaking phenomenon. Today, we're unveiling the secrets behind a coffee recipe so viral, it's not just sipped. It's talked about. Remember that whipped coffee everyone was obsessed with? Or those mesmerizing latte art videos that flooded your feed? Well, what if we told you we've got the next big thing? A coffee so stunning, so delicious, it'll have the internet buzzing all over again. And the best part? You can make it at home. Get ready. Because this isn't just coffee. It's a showstopper. Let's dive in. How does a cup of coffee go viral? It's all about three things: the look, the taste, and the story. From picking the right beans to frothing the perfect milk and mastering the final touch. This is more than coffee, it's a masterpiece waiting to be unveiled. Here's where it gets scientific. The fluffier the foam, the better the beans. But wait, there's a twist. Our recipe includes a secret ingredient that takes it to the next level. The recipe is simple but unforgettable. A perfect blend of rich espresso, creamy milk, and a touch of sweetness. 1. Mix a teaspoon of espresso powder with hot water. 2. Froth your milk, not just ordinary froth. Make it luscious and creamy. 3. Add the secret ingredient: a hint of vanilla extract and a dash of cinnamon. This is what makes your coffee irresistible. And there you have it, a coffee so beautiful. It's practically a work of art. But don't just drink it, capture it. Share it as your feed lights up with likes. Remember, half the magic of going viral is in the presentation. Frame your coffee. The right light, the perfect angle, and a touch of creativity. Coffee isn't just a drink. It's your ticket to becoming the talk of the internet. Now it's your turn. Will you try this recipe at home? Don't forget to tag us with your creations and let your coffee tell a story. And stay tuned for more game-changing ideas, because this journey, it's only just beginning. Each step unveils a new world of creativity and inspiration.